Hello, second graders. Today in our phonics and word study, we learned a way to help you spell words that you don't know. For our example, today we use the word tray. Tray begins with the TR sound, tr. And we came up with 4 words that we knew that also had that same beginning sound. Tree, trip, train, and truck. We also came up with 4 words that end the same as tray. Play, day, may, and pay. Today, you are going to receive a connections sheet. At the top of that sheet, you're going to list 6 words that you're learning how to spell. At the bottom of that page, you're going to make some connections to the beginning sounds and the ending sounds of those words. So you're going to take one of those words from the top. You're going to put that word in the box at the bottom. The first word on this page is whisper. Whisper begins with the WH sound. Wah. We came up with the word white, when, and whistle. For the ending sound in whisper, we have per, P-E-R, and we listed the word slipper. The next word that we were learning to spell was kitchen, kit. The first word that we came up with is kit and kitten. Your job today is that you're going to write 6 of your own words that you're learning how to spell at the top of your connection sheet. You will put each one of those words in the box at the bottom, and you will come up with 3 words that begin with the same sound and 3 words that end with the same sound.